Ngokhunye kodwa uRiyado kwenza icala liphazamiseke. Umsolo wokuthoma nowesibili sebanegcwethe elitsha. Ngendlela kungakhona icwetha labo laphambili belingazi lona.
There was no communication from the new legal rep on record towards us. We only found out today, this morning in court.
uRamsipile utshela ikhotho bona abasolwa aba sebajanyelwe nguye.
I received these instructions on Thursday afternoon while I was at court in Randburg.
Is there any reason why you did not pre-warn your colleagues about this development?
Beyingekho into ikhotho ebeyingayenza yabona ngcono ukuthulisa icala lelo.
My Lord, what I would like to bring forward before this Honorable Court is that Advocate Titi Tobani should not be hurtful by this development that transpired in this court. The issue is that there are issues that we just want to fix and correct.
So it's water under the bridge. I will talk to him as he says so, but there was no need for him to feel bad about it. It's professional.
Icwethe elitsha lomsolo wokuthoma uRamsipile uthi akunamthetho emkatelela bona afakele umsolo wesibili bongani intanzi sibawo sebail godu njengoba untanzi aba uyikhotho phambilini akasajanyelwe ngithobane. Kanti untanzi ke wakhonjwa ngufakazi uTumelo Madlala njengomunye wenilele sekuthiwa abatsho bezikhona nakubulawa umeyiwa. Lindeleke bona kube nomunye ufakazi kuleli cala naliragako ngenithuzi kaMkhayili ngomnyaka ozako.